Okay, welcome to Shabita Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson. This is my telephone number and our email, that is elearning@shabita.net. So in today's video, I'm going to be introducing to you one of our topic as far as whole numbers. So we shall be able to look at multiplication up to 4 digits. That is by 2 digits. They give you 2 digits and you also multiply them by they give 4 digits, you multiply them by 4. Those are going to be our natural numbers. Okay, so we shall start by one example which is given. So this is also our normal multiplication, however that we are always given big numbers, not like the one you used to do, but this is also done using our normal multiplication. Okay, so let me get a pen tool here. We start working out our example which is given. For example, our example one here given, they are saying multiply 249 times with 32. Okay, they want us to multiply 249 times what? Times 2. So they are able to come up with this answer. So I'm going to explain how they came up with that answer. Okay, so when you see how they came up with that answer, the way how they came up with that answer is you first arrange your numbers very well. You arrange them very well. Okay, according to their place values. All right. So we have our 2 which is in ones, and also our 9 which is also in what? In ones. We have our 3 which is in tens, and our 4 which is in tens. Then here the one in 100 they doesn't have, so this is the way how they have arranged it. So you start multiplying. Okay, you may start with 2. You multiply 2 by all of this. Okay, and you also multiply our 3. Okay, let me solve this. Let me solve that. Okay, here we are saying we multiply our 2 by the whole of this. Okay, then after we also multiply our 3 by the whole of this number which is up. So after we have multiplied, then we add the what? We add the products. Okay, so this is how it is. So here they were able to start with okay, let's write it afresh here. We have our 2 4 9. Okay, then we have our 32. We are going to multiply this to come up with the answer they got here. So we can start with our 2 here. Okay, or we can start with the 3, anywhere you feel like. Okay, so for me, I'm going to start with my 2 here. So when we say 2 times 9, what is 2 times 9? 2 times 9. Okay, that is the same as this is the same as 9. 2 times, then you just add them. It's the same as 2 times 9. Okay, 9 2 times. Okay, so this is 18. Okay, you get your answer as what? As 18. So you write what? You write our 8, then you carry our 1. Okay, so you also come here and say 2 times 4. Okay, 2 times 4. 2 times 4, you get your answer as what? Your answer is 8. Okay, so to state it very well, our first answer we said 2 times what? 2 times 9. It was 2 times 9. Okay, So we got our answer as what? As 18. Got our answer as 18. So we said we are going to write 8, okay? After writing 8, then we do what? We remain with sum 1 here. So we remain with sum 1. Remained with what? Remained with the 1. So we say our 2 here still times what? Times 4. Okay, so we shall say our 2 times 4. What do we get? We get 8. Then we say our 8 plus what? Plus 1, which is the one which remained here. So when you say 2 times 4, we get 8 plus 1 to becomes 9. Okay, so we also come and say our 2 times 2. We say 2 times 2. So here our answer was equal to 9. So we say this is our side work. Should not include it in the what? In the paper. But I'm showing you how you can be able to get these numbers. Okay, so we say 2 times 2, we get our answer as what? As 4. Then here we come and write our answer as what? As 4. Then we are still now remaining with our 3. Okay, we are still remaining with our 3. So we are also going to multiply 3 by the whole of that number. Okay, so we shall say 3 times 9. What is 3 times 9? When you say 3 times 9, it is the same as 9. 3 what? 3 times. So when you add them, they give you how much? They give you how many? Have 9 plus 9, which is 18. Then 18 plus 9. They give you 20 what? 27. Simple what? Simple way to get the number. Okay, so we shall now be able to get our 27. So here we shall write in the place of what? In the place of what? In the place of 9. Okay, in the place of 3, we'll say this is going to be our 27. We write 7. Okay, and we carry sum 2. We say 3 times 4. Okay, 3 times 4 is, that is the same as 4. 3. Then we add. Okay, this is 1. This is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, that is 12. Okay, then we had remained with our 2 here. We say our this is the now equal to 12. Then 12 plus what? Plus our 2. We shall get our answer as what? As 14. So we shall write our 4 and carry what? And carry sum 1. Okay, so we say 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so we say 6 plus 1 becomes what? 7. So we come and what? We come and add. After we have multiplied here, then we add. Okay, so here we shall be able to write our 0. Okay, shall be able to write our what? Shall be able to write our 0. So when you say this is the same as 8, this is going to be our 8. Okay, 8 plus 0 is, then what is 7 plus 9? You get 16. So we write a 6 and carry what? And carry 1. What is 4 plus 4? Becomes 8. Then this plus our 1 we carried, it becomes 9. Then we have a 0 here also. 0 plus 7. Okay, 0 plus 7 is 7. So this simply means that we shall get our 7,960, which is the same as the number that they got. So in multiplication, that's how we are going to be dealing with these numbers. Let's also look at another example as we understand this more. Let's look at another at another example as we understand them more. Okay, so we are working out with these examples also. They are now this one of more of word problem. They are saying a rectangle floor is covered by 26 tiles. Okay, hope all of you knows tiles. Okay, the tiles, those who live more in urban, they use them like cement. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. So they are telling us that a floor covered by 26 tiles along the length and 15 tiles along its width. Okay, so we may say that if we have a floor, for example, just a floor, they are saying a floor is given by 26 tiles along the length. So we can say this is now 26, then 15 tiles along its width. We say this is going to be our 15. This is our floor. Okay, so they are saying how many tiles are there all together. So for us to get the tiles which are all together, we shall just only need to multiply our 26 times 15. We say 26 then times what? Times 15. Okay, the 15 looks the other way around, but that is fine. So we say our 5 times what? 5 times 6. This is the same as 5 times 5 times 6 is the same as 6. 5 what? 5 times. So we shall be able, when we say 5 times 6, to get our answer as 30. Then 30 we write a 3. We write 0, we carry 3. Then we say 5 times 2, that is 10. Okay, so 10 plus 3, that is 13. Okay, then we also say here, we say 1 times what? 1 times 6. Shall be able to get our 6. Then we say 1 times 2, we get our 2. Then here should be 0. Okay, then here now we do what? We add. This is a 0. What is this? 3 plus 6, get a 9. Then we say 1 plus 2, 3. So you see, we have been able to come up with what? With their answer, and that is how they were able to do it. Okay, so you have to write tiles, because when you don't write tiles, your answer will be hanging. All right. So we also have another number here which is saying there are 146 rows of Scouts and Girl Guides. Okay, so these are Scouts and Girl Guides. So they are saying in each row there are 27 guides and Scouts. They are meaning the rows. They have rows, and there are 27 guides and Scouts in the what? In each row. Then they are asking us how many Scouts and guides are on the parade. Okay, so here they are telling us there are 140 what? 46 rows then of Scouts and Girl Guides. Then they are saying each row is having 27 guides and Scouts. So how many Scouts and guides are there on the parade? So what we have to do is to get our 200. Okay, let me see here. They are saying there are 146 rows of Scouts. Okay, these are rows. Okay, these are rows. Then of Scouts and girls. Then they are saying in each row there are what? There are 27 Okay, there are 27 what? 27 guides and scouts. How many scouts are there? How many scouts are what? Are there? So what do they want us to find here? What do they want us to find? They are telling us we are having this. Okay, let me get my pen here. They are telling us we have 46 rows of scouts and girl guides. Okay, 146 rows. Then they are saying in each row, okay, in each row there are 27 guides, and then 27 guides and scouts. How many scouts and guides are on the parade? Okay, our answer could be we have to multiply our 140 what? 146 100 and what? 146 then times our 27 what? 27 rows. Okay, so let's multiply this and we see the answer that we are going to get. We are multiplying. This is we are going to start from a 2 here. This is 2 times 6. We come, we get 12. Then we write what? We write 2 carry 1. 2 times 4 8 plus 1. This becomes 9. Then if we say 2 times 2 times what? 2 times 2. 2 times 1, we get our 2. So this becomes 0. Then we say 7 times. Okay. We say 7 times 6. What is 7 times 6? What is 7 times 7 times 6? We shall be able to get our what? Our 42. So we write our 2 here. Then we carry what? We carry 4. We carry 4. Then we shall say what is 7 times 4? 7 times 4. Someone give us an answer. Okay, 28. So here we get 28. Okay, 28. We said what is 7 times what? 7 times 6 is 40 what? 42. We carried what? We wrote it 2 and carried 4. Then we say 7 times 4. 7 times 4 we get 28. Then plus 4. That is 30 what? That is 32. Okay. 32 we write it 2 and carry what? And carry our 3. Then we say what is 7 times 1? We get 7. So what is 7 plus what? 7 plus 3. We get our 10. Okay. So you can see that this is our number. I want to see whether these people made some mistake here, but let us try to see. So we add. This is the same as 2. This is the same as 4. This is the same as 9. Okay, so this is the same as what? 3. So this qualifies to be our answer. So when you look here, they were able to get the same answers. However, for them they wrote this as 2, which was supposed to be 1. Okay. So this is how we do get numbers of that kind as far as multiplying. It is also easy. We can be able to pick the idea and do some multiplication. So for this, let me say thank you very much. Be able to check out on our playlist and also subscribe in the comment section. Comment to get some more understanding on this and how we can make it better for you to understand. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Nice moment.